few things represent modern country music better than hunting and off-roading. For SEMA 2017, Chevy is rolling out a concept that ties in all of these elements. The Bryan Suburban concept is a rolling ode to camouflage, country music and the South. Chevy's goal was to have a vehicle that had both the utility of a truck and the closed body and extra seating of an SUV. The concept is based on a standard 2018 Chevy Suburban. As such, it still has a 5.3-liter V8 making 355 horsepower and 383 pound-feet of torque. The 6-speed automatic sends power to all four wheels. With its trailering package, the Bryan Suburban is capable of towing up to 8,000 pounds. The engine uses a Chevrolet Performance 5.3-liter cold air intake for a few extra horses. Other mechanical upgrades include 6-piston Brembo front brakes, a suspension lift, skid plates, tow hooks and 22-inch wheels with 35-inch tires. Visually, the most obvious change is green camouflage paint with orange accents, the same basic color scheme you'll find on modern hunting gear. The grille, wheels and tow hooks are all accented in orange. There's a full-width LED light bar and a fully roof rack attached to the top. Out back, the spare tire is now attached to the swing-out tailgate. All the rear glass has been removed to provide a sort of mobile hunting blind. Inside, the camo and orange theme continues on the seats and trim. The steering wheel, door pads, instrument panel and center console are all done in a perforated camo pattern. The entire third row has been flipped, including the entertainment system. The seats now face backwards like old GMC body wagons. The power folding function still works. The Suburban also gets a Chevrolet Accessories Kicker audio system.